So now we have the third exercise. This last exercise from the activity, it is a bit different because now we are buying a call. So we are buying the right to decide if we want to buy or not. And in this case, it is also a dollar, but instead of pesos, now we have Chinese yuan. So let's begin the exercise with the premium. In this case, because I am buying the option, I need to pay the fee. So I will need to account for the fee as negative. So minus 0.5. I will need to write minus 0.5 in every code. Minus 0.5. That is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. Okay. So now I just accounted for the premium that I have to pay. Then in exercise or not, we need to think about. So now I have the right to choose. So I will decide if I want to buy it in the market, that will mean no exercise, or use the option and buy it in the option at 6.5. So let's begin the analysis. 5.5, where do I want to buy my dollar? At 5.5 or at 6.5? At 5.5, right? Because it's cheaper. That means no exercise, so 0. In the next one, again, it's cheaper. 6 is cheaper than 6.5, so 0. At 6.5 and 6.5, I don't really care, so I will write running 0. And at 7, here it's different because at 7, I think it's better to buy it in the option. So I will exercise and I will account for the difference. In this case, it's positive because I am buying the option. So I decide to use the option when it is good for me. So I will pay only 6.5 instead of 7. So the difference is positive. In here, the difference is 1. And in here it's 1.5. And finally, I only have to add the two numbers to get the total. Again, I have the graph already in here. And to find these points, let's begin with the break-even point. It will be in here when we have 0. So in this case, it will be at 7 yuan per dollar. That is the break-even point when we don't have profit or loss. At the money, it will be 6.5. Again, it is the strike also. To the left, it will be out of the money because it's the sad part of the table. And to the right, it will be the happy part in the money. So that's the exercise from last week. I hope that with this, it gets clear. And just keep on practicing. Today, we're going to practice with, I think it's activity 9. And you will also start practicing with homework 9 to kind of review everything that we have been doing in the semester.